Is
Oh, no.
Microsoft about to become the next Netflix, the Netflix of gaming? That's the headline. This is a free account, by the way, Seeking Alpha. You just have to, yeah, you just
I gotta make an account.
It will take 2 seconds, Will. It's going to be worth it, man.
Hold on.
Continue with Google. Why don't you? Could a Discord deal make Microsoft the Netflix of gaming? You know, there's been the rumors they could acquire Discord and kind of piece together this really strategic position inside of gaming because they got the Game Pass stuff going on. So they have this subscription. Obviously, they got the hardware with the new Xbox. They bought the software company, which, let me try to remember the name of the software. I know Bethesda, but that's not the name of the software company, which Bethesda is part of. What's the name of it, Will? Scroll down a little bit. ZeniMax. So they paid $7.5 billion there. So content, you got content. Discord is 100 million monthly active users. 100 million monthly active users of Xbox Live. What? As a community, aside from what Discord can add, wow, you got 100 million users on Xbox Live. That's a big number. 18 million paid subscribers to Xbox Game Pass, priced $10 to $15 a month.
Some nice passive income there.
What's weird about this is that they shut down Mixer because Mixer was kind of being their stream thing, and I bailed on that a little bit quick. But anyway, they seem primed to figure something out with Discord. Discord enables voice, video, and chat functionality among users on dedicated servers. Launched for gamers, could be used for anything, actually. So some individuals are speculating that once they piece this whole thing together, it will be your one-stop shop for gaming. And the other interesting play is in the cloud.
Yeah.
You know that Microsoft has a cloud thing going on. Azure.
Is it still called xCloud?
No. Azure. I'm talking about their cloud business.
Oh, yeah.
Their enterprise stuff, which they compete with Google and Amazon.
Yep.
And what's interesting here is that Discord is currently on Google's cloud setup. So they can take a shot at Google by moving that significant amount of business over to Azure. So there's some little games in there, you know. Anyway, I think that it will be hard to achieve a Netflix status in gaming, but I think it's where it should go. I think it's what we should have. I think if I'm just imagining, never mind all the problems. I realize there's people looking here saying you can't do it because frame rates and lag and resolution and bandwidth, and yeah, there's going to be challenges, but just imagine if all the technical challenges were out the way and you just were able, like Netflix, to put any game on instantly and play it at any time and never have to download anything, store anything, and to pay a monthly amount. Like, it would just be so much fun. I think I would game a lot more myself.
Yeah.
There's something around the commitment level of, I'm buying this game. You know, it makes it, there's friction at the front end. If it's a really high profile game, sure. But.
Well, the whole installing and patching.
Yeah.
Just waiting.
That sucks. I think everybody knows that that's not ideal, but I think it's actually more the friction around picking something where it's you don't want to, you know, you're less likely to take a risk on a game or a title that you wouldn't have played otherwise. And if you can just turn it on and go, all of a sudden you might bump into an experience where you're like, oh, that exceeded my expectations.
Sure.
Those are nice experiences when that can happen. Of course, in the old days, you could just like rent a game. When I was a youngster, that'd be very exciting, just like renting movies. You would go and rent a game you have for 7 days.
Yeah. Do you extend it?
That's interesting. The game rental, why didn't the game rental come to the Xbox and PlayStation stores? Where you could rent a game for 7 days.
I don't know. I guess because
I like how I'm making this your problem.
yeah, I don't know.
I guess the economics don't work. Nobody would buy them. Everyone would just rent them, beat them, and then.
Maybe.
So we
Yeah.
actually had a better deal when we were young. That you could go rent the game from the physical Blockbuster or whatever it was.
Yeah. I guess a lot of these games now are multiplayer.
Oh man, they made all kinds of moves because of the online and everything. Like they're trying to monetize in all these different ways.
Yeah.
But there is something that was lost there in the fact that you could try a lot of games with a lower commitment level. I guess you have demos.
Do they give out demos anymore?
Well, there are some demos,
Some demos.
but it's yeah. What are we doing? We're lamenting here.
Mm-hmm.
That would be cool. A cool game service, though, right?
Yeah.
The Netflix of gaming. Would you subscribe to such a thing?
I'm
All
not
right.
that much of a gamer. But
Yeah, neither am I.
maybe someone will.
No, I'm
One
saying
person.
it might make me a gamer again.
Sure.
No, you don't believe it.
Well, that's what they're doing, right? The streaming service.
That's what they all want to do. Yeah,
Stadia.
that's what they all want to do.